Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. I'm going to fix up some sloppy joes, but it's not your normal sloppy joes. I thought I'd share this with you. Alrighty? So I got my 1 pound chub of 85% lean hamburger from Costco. This is also going to be a different experience. I'm just getting used to using an electric stove. I grew up on gas. The California house still has gas. This is my first time using an electric range top here. I have used induction, and that's a totally different animal than this, even though it's electric as well. Gas and induction gives you almost instant heat adjustment on it. This does not. So this taking some getting used to. It takes it slow to heat up, and you go to turn it down, it's slow to go down, and slow to warm back up again as you adjust it. So this is going to be a challenge. All right, threw the wrapper away. This is a little tool my wife found, and it works really great for the coated pans to keep them from being scratched, and chops up breaks up the hamburger really well here. Let's see, I'm going to try bringing this over here for a second. Get a close-up of this. So what I have what I'm using for spices here, we found over at Costco up here, they had Kinder's, which is a Martinez, California company. They have all their barbecue sauces and all their other fun stuff. And see, it's like, so this is the Kinder's barbecue sauce, but they have they picked up something new here, taco seasoning. And so I had it both at Costco and Sam's Club. So we picked up some. My wife gave me a little bit to keep here, and she took the rest back to California. This is what we'll be using for the Kinder's container says 3 tablespoons. Well, I'm only going to put 2 in because I'm going to be adding more stuff to it here. So I'm going to be adding onion powder, garlic powder, chili powder, and cumin. So I'll be adding these to it once I get it all drained. And I got a nice container of dehydrated onions. So, okay, it looks like it's starting to cook up a little bit better here. The other thing I don't like about electric is, like when I'm doing the hamburger and stuff and I want to drain it, I can keep it over the fire and I can tip it a little bit, and all the liquid will run to one side and it still keeps cooking because the flame, was under it. This has to have contact with the surface for it to cook. Okay, so, so we got a bunch of the liquid there. Yes, I'm putting the paper towel in it to soak up the grease and stuff straight away here. Forgot my tomato paste. Try to do this with a paper towel so it doesn't splatter quite so much. And I can get grease as it comes out, grease and water as it comes out of the meat here. Really quick here. right, 1 cup water. So, 2 tablespoons of the Kinder's taco seasoning. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder. And then 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. And 1/3 cup of dehydrated onions. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup more water to it because of the onions. I forgot about that. Oh man, it smells great. Now the Kinder's taco seasoning, I can't remember the name of the pepper that's in it. So for taco seasoning, it's got a bite. So that's why I only used 2 tablespoons of it and added the other seasonings in here. Was to, it's got a good bite, but I don't feel like a good bite right now. Time to change up utensils to a spoon. Yummy. Yeah. It's a good thing I only put 2 tablespoons of the Kinder's taco seasoning because that chili that's in there. Of course, some of you may want to put all 3 in there, but it's got that just enough of a burn to warm the throat without hurting it. Nice, yummy. All right, so go ahead here. we go. Taco Sloppy Joe. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, click the subscribe button down below. And don't forget to ring the bell that pops up after you subscribe. That way you'll get notified whenever I post a video. And as always, everyone stay happy, stay safe, stay prepared. And check out these videos coming up in the little trailer here.